And, one area, we talk a lot on this podcast of kind of the difference between, and I'm really starting to dislike the phrase lifespan, because that's the buzzword now. And all the pseudoscientists on YouTube and everything are talking about expanding lifespan. But you talk a lot more, I think, in terms of health span. And I think that's what's most important. It's the quality of the years that we're going to be living. So there's a lot of buzz around this idea of increasing our health span, living well longer. What does the current research actually say about the potential to extend health span, not just lifespan, but health span? And how does that look in practice?
So, for decades, the field was enamored of being able to make animals live longer. You take a worm or a fly or even a mouse and you do something. You change their diet, you give them a drug, and then they live longer. And there are lots and lots of studies. So that was really interesting and still is interesting. But, you talk to people and you kind of ask what matters to them. And living a long time matters to people, of course, but living well is what really matters to people. I mean, nobody likes the image of the frail person in a nursing home spending year after year. They love the idea of a 92-year-old going out for a bike ride and playing tennis, working maybe, whatever, a full life. And so that's the health span part. And the field in general, I think, has really shifted, not to stop studying lifespan, but to study extensions that include at least as much, if not more, health span than lifespan.